Now, this is how we can export a video in iMovie on the iPad, and let's get into it. So at first, just make sure we have the iMovie app installed and ready. Then we can get inside and everything. And if you are inside of a project or if you create a brand new project, what you need to do is be inside where you can see the timeline right there. So perform all of the changes, make sure you are finished because the exported video will be, not editable that much anymore. But once you want to export it, click on the done button in the top left corner, then click on the share button below, and you can click on some options, right? So we have the export project or save or share video. So essentially you can click on a save or share video right there. Another window will appear and you just want to click on a save video if you want to store it in the Photos app, or save to files if you want to store it inside of the Files app. So it is up to you. It's pretty much the same thing, but you can see that once you click it, the video will start exporting. It might take a while, so you have a little loading indicator right there, but this heavily depends on the size and length of the video. So you know that usually if the video is shorter, it's going to take much less time. But once you do this, the video will be stored in your gallery or in the Files app, and you can do whatever you want with it. So that's it from me. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'm gonna catch you later.